Hey guys, are you want to buy best car exterior polishers and buffers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best car exterior polishers and buffers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guys Random Orbital Polisher. The Torqx Kit by Chemical Guys is a comprehensive all-in-one detailing solution designed for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. This universal fit kit includes everything needed to polish paint, remove swirls, scratches, oxidation, and imperfections, restore headlight clarity, and clean glass surfaces. Powered by a 700-watt motor with an 8mm dual-action orbital throw, the Torqx delivers strong, consistent polishing and paint correction while minimizing user fatigue, making it ideal for extended detailing sessions. Its lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, while durable construction guarantees long-term reliability. Versatile and compact, the kit works effectively on single-stage paint, clear coats, polished metals, glass, headlights, and taillights, providing professional-grade results at home or in the shop. With premium pads and top-tier compounds included, the Torqx Kit is the perfect gift for car lovers, offering a complete system to maintain a flawless, showroom-quality finish on any vehicle. Now our second product is Geveelife Buffer Polisher. The Geveelife 1600W Car Buffer Polisher is a professional-grade tool designed for efficient, high-quality car detailing at home or in the shop. Equipped with a powerful 1600W motor and a built-in constant power control board, it operates smoothly and quietly while handling oxidation, scratches, stains, and restoring paint luster without overheating. Its 7 variable speed settings allow precise control for different paint types and polishing needs, from delicate sanding to heavy-duty decontamination. Weighing just 4.5 pounds, the ergonomic design with detachable D-handle and side handle ensures comfort, reduced fatigue, and a secure grip, while the safety switch lock maintains consistent speed. The kit includes carefully tested sponge pads, wool pads, and sandpapers suitable for cars, furniture, floors, boats, marble, wood, and metal, providing versatile polishing options. Backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive customer service, this buffer polisher saves time, money, and delivers professional quality results. Our third product is Ldhthopi Buffer Polisher. The Ldhthopi 1600W Buffer Polisher is a versatile and powerful tool designed for professional quality car detailing and multi-surface polishing. Its high-performance 1600W motor ensures consistent, efficient operation, easily handling tough tasks like removing oxidation, scratches, and stains. With 7 adjustable speeds ranging from 1000 to 3500 RPM, it provides precise control for delicate sanding, aggressive polishing, or enhancing paint shine. Designed for comfort and versatility, the polisher can be used directly, with a D-handle, or with a side handle, reducing fatigue during extended sessions. The kit includes 7 specialized pads: wool, orange, black, yellow, red, green, and blue, catering to various polishing needs, from deep scratch removal to swirl elimination and flawless finishing. Beyond car surfaces, this 7-inch buffer works effectively on furniture, floors, boats, marble, wood, and metal. Lightweight, efficient, and adaptable, it offers professional results while saving time and money. Now number 4, Niusken Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The cordless buffer polisher is a versatile and beginner-friendly tool designed for professional quality car detailing. Powered by a pure copper brushless motor and an 8mm dual-action orbital mechanism, it delivers smooth, swirl-free results while eliminating cable clutter for maximum maneuverability. The high-performance motor supports 6 adjustable speeds, 2800 to 5800 RPM, with an integrated LED display showing current speed and battery level in real time, ensuring precise control. Dual 21V 2000 mAh batteries with a fast charger provide up to 100 minutes of continuous runtime, making it ideal for detailing sedans, SUVs, or larger vehicles. Lightweight at just 3.3 pounds and ergonomically designed, it reduces user fatigue during extended sessions. The complete accessory kit includes sponge pads, wool pads, microfiber and non-woven bonnets, and sanding discs, suitable for cars, boats, furniture, metal, wood, marble, and more. Combining power, portability, and versatility, this buffer polisher delivers professional results at home or on the go. And our last choice is Vervewave Cordless Buffer Polisher. The Vervewave Cordless Car Polisher is a versatile and high-performance tool designed for car enthusiasts and professionals. Compatible with DeWalt 20V lithium-ion batteries, sold separately, it allows users to maximize performance without purchasing additional chargers or batteries. Equipped with an upgraded brushless DC motor, this polisher delivers powerful, quiet, and efficient operation while extending motor lifespan. Its 6 variable speed settings, 1800 to 5500 RPM, provide flexibility for different tasks, from low-speed waxing and polishing to high-speed paint defect and oxidation removal. The ergonomic design with an extended handle, soft rubber grip, and upgraded lock switch ensures comfort, safety, and precise control during extended use. Featuring eccentric random orbital motion, the polisher produces uniform results while preventing over-polishing and glare. The complete kit includes foam pads, wool pads, waxing pads, and sandpapers, making it suitable for polishing, waxing, and detailing various surfaces. Lightweight, efficient, and versatile, it delivers professional results for any vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.